Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is my 1-year anniversary on YouTube video and I'm super excited to be here. I've been here for a year. Oh my goodness, I want to tell you everything about how I started. So if you're interested, you can continue watching this video. Hi, if you don't know me, I'm Laura, and if you do know me, hi again. I make YouTube videos and this is so exciting. And I make videos on minimalism, veganism, traveling, learning, and lifestyle design. And now I'm making a video on my 1 year on YouTube. And if you're interested in any of those areas that I've just mentioned, you can subscribe to my channel and you can click the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I post new videos, and you can follow me on Instagram, and you can become a patron of this channel if you want to support us, and you can join my Facebook group as well. Boy, what a year! What a year! So exactly 1 year ago, on June 30th, 2019, I uploaded my first YouTube video, and oh my god, I remember this day so vividly. I remember how stressed I was, I remember how I felt when I was filming this video, and you can still watch it. It's here, it's available. I didn't unlist it. So you can go ahead and watch this video if you want to see me when I started. And yeah, I just want to say what this year has been like for me and what I learned and what happened and all that stuff. So let me just start from the very beginning. That video wasn't the first video that I've ever uploaded to YouTube. I had a channel in 2013 and I'm not really ready to talk about it yet because it's super embarrassing. But I just wanted to tell you that when I uploaded my first YouTube video last year, that wasn't the first time that I had ever done that. I had already started a few years back. It just didn't click back then. But from 2013, or maybe even before that, this has been a dream of mine for many years now, and I always wanted to start doing it, but I just didn't know how. And I had been toying with this idea to start again for many years before I finally started doing something towards it. So in November 2018, I started filming short clips, short vlogs. I started prepping myself for my YouTube channel. Is that okay? Because I don't want to waste time, any more time, by being too close or too far away from the camera. I didn't really know what I was doing. They were not good at all. Like, I didn't have the lighting, I didn't have a mic, I was filming with my phone, which back then wasn't really good, and I was just trying so hard. I was really pushing it, but I wasn't feeling very well in front of the camera. My ideas weren't really that good. I kind of knew what I wanted to talk about, but then when it came to executing my ideas, I wasn't really doing a good job, but I really wanted to make it work. So I started filming these short vlogs in November 2018, and I kept going. And I think at that time I also started to pay attention to how the world of social media works. So I started learning about the platforms like YouTube or Instagram. I started to educate myself on how the platform works, and I still hadn't uploaded a single video to my channel, but I started making real progress in terms of preparing myself for creating my YouTube channel. And that lasted for a few months, and I think in April or in May, I was really set on starting my YouTube channel. I just knew that I wouldn't do it alone because I realized that editing my videos was a terrible experience for me, so I asked my boyfriend if he wanted to help me out. And we decided that if it ever becomes something that earns us money, if it turns into a career for both of us, then we would become a team and we would do this together. And at the time, and still, we had full-time jobs, and we just decided to start doing it on the side and see what happens, right? And finally, on June the 30th, I uploaded my first YouTube video, and we spent so much time color grading it and editing it. And I remember that it was a very hot day. I didn't really know when I wanted to film, and I didn't really know how to organize the filming schedule for myself because I just thought that you just show up and turn the camera on and you film. And now, after a year of doing it, I know that it's not that simple. But back then I was just too excited, so I was filming whenever I felt like filming, right? And I uploaded this video and it was such a stressful day. I uploaded it to my Facebook as well, like to my personal Facebook page, and I showed it to everyone. I showed it to my friends and family, and everyone was so supportive. Everyone was just like rooting for me and saying, "Go, Laura, you can do this." And I was like, what? So yeah, that was a year ago, and that was hilarious, but terrifying. And after this video, I didn't know what to film. I was just like, so how do you start? Like, what do I really want to talk about on my channel? I knew that I wanted to talk about traveling and veganism and minimalism, learning, lifestyle design, but I just didn't know where to start. I felt like my second video, so my first proper video, had to be really, really good. And I decided to talk about the 5 ideas that I had for my summer after graduating from university. And it kind of went off from there. That was my second video, and then we went traveling, and I really wanted to be consistent right away. But we were traveling and I wasn't really consistent. We still were making videos, and I'm super proud of these videos because they are the videos that I really want to continue making. We were also a bit stressed because we just had to learn how to work together and how the YouTube platform works. So this stage was a stressful stage and also a very creative stage, and yeah, that was super, super fun. Also, just to be clear, when I started my YouTube channel, I knew that I wanted to talk about my passions and my dreams and things that were really, really interesting to me, and I didn't want this channel to be a language learning channel because I was already working as a language mentor, I was a student, and I had private clients. So this channel, which I always dreamed of creating, was supposed to be something that would be a different career path for me. If I ever wanted to stop being a language mentor, I wanted to talk about other things that I find super interesting. I started my channel both as a passion project and as something that hopefully one day would become my career. So yeah, I was very, very clear on that from the beginning. Okay, so fast forward, in October, I uploaded a video that probably all of you know, which was why I speak and understand 8 languages. And back then, I didn't even have 100 subscribers, and my videos had around like 200 views. And I knew that these types of videos get more views because I was familiar with videos made by people in which they speak about the languages that they speak or they know or they learned, and I just wanted to make a video that was a similar video but talked about my own perspective and my own experiences. And for I think a few weeks, it didn't really take off. It started gaining views, but they were like mostly my friends and family. And everything changed in November 2019. Oh my god, that was my breakthrough. On November 1st, 2019, I reached 100 subscribers, and it was insane. I felt like I could conquer the world, like 100 subscribers. And it was such an amazing achievement for me. And I remember just watching my channel analytics all day, and it was growing. The number was growing all day. And I was like, what is happening? And then I took a look at this video on 8 languages, and it started gaining views like crazy. And I was just like, wow, I think that the YouTube algorithm picked my video up because YouTube is showing this video now to so many people. And I was like, wow, what is going on? Like 100 subscribers, 1,000 views on a video. Oh my god, that's insane. And I remember I was celebrating. I was just so, so happy. But it was just the beginning, because by the end of the year, I reached 10,000 subscribers. And my video on why I speak and understand 8 languages had 270,000 views. Even saying that, it's just like insane. Oh my goodness. I felt like that was something, I can't even explain it. I felt so proud, and I felt like it wasn't really happening. It felt surreal to me. And I was so, so happy because this is like a dream come true for a YouTuber, right? To have one of your videos go viral. And at the same time, I was terrified. This video's success brought up so many things. I felt like I was an imposter. Why are people watching me? I felt like I wasn't worthy, and I had only been making YouTube videos for 6 months. So to have this happen to you is just like a crazy experience, and I didn't really have the time to prepare for it because back then I think I only had 10 or maybe 12 YouTube videos on my channel, so that was crazy. And also, that was the first time that I started experiencing negative comments on my video and on my channel. So that was something that I had to learn how to deal with. That was a very intense time in my life, and I was learning so much, so quickly, so rapidly, and I had to adapt. So after this video became really popular and it kept going, the views were increasing all the time, even more crazy things started happening. So I knew that if I started making more language-related content, my videos would get more views and my channel would gain more subscribers, but at the same time, I still wanted to talk about everything that I wanted to talk about on my channel. So I started my French series, and that was mainly for me because I really wanted to keep myself accountable and motivate myself to learn French this year. And I also wanted to talk about other areas of my life. So I was still talking about minimalism and veganism and lifestyle design and traveling. So I kept creating these videos, and I wanted to grow my channel, and many opportunities started to flow in. And I was interviewed by a New York radio station, and I'll leave the link to this interview in the description box. And that was insane. Like, I felt like I won the lottery, and we talked about languages and life, and yeah, that was a super fun time. I started getting many emails from brands, and I started cooperating with a few brands in a form of affiliate marketing. That was something that I wasn't prepared for, but I started learning so much about the business side of YouTube as well. And I also started making my first money on YouTube ads, which was just incredible. This YouTube money helped me pay for all of my subscriptions, Epidemic Sound and Photoshop, and everything that I am still paying for when it comes to helping me create my videos. So I felt like I was breaking even, and that was super exciting. I was just incredibly grateful, and I still am. And my channel kept growing and growing and growing. And in April, I started my Patreon because I also launched 2 digital courses, one called How to Learn Languages, and the second one called Advanced Grammar University, because I still wanted to help people because I'm a language mentor, and I created these courses to help more people because I couldn't see everyone face to face, and I really wanted to reach as many people as possible. And since people were interested in my language learning content, I wanted to help them learn, and I wanted to help them grow, and I still do. And I decided to launch them on Patreon, and you can still become a patron of my channel if you want to, because tomorrow on July 1st, 2020, we will be talking about YouTube. So in my AMA and in my Hangout, you'll be able to ask me questions, and we'll talk about YouTube. If you want to learn more about everything that happened this year, and if you want to know how much money I made, how to become comfortable in front of the camera, like all this stuff. So if you want to support my channel, you can become a patron as well. So yeah, that happened in April. And in June, I was invited to talk with Brazilian students online, and we were talking about education and learning and languages and veganism. And that was super fun because I really want to help young people, and to talk with people from the other side of the world, and to talk about something because of my YouTube channel, like they found me through my YouTube channel. This is incredible. That's what I want to do. That's why I created this channel in the first place. And today I have 40,000 subscribers. My Instagram has almost 4,000 followers, and I have a Patreon. I have 2 digital courses. I'm a mentor to my private clients. I have a Facebook group where you can get inspired by other people and share ideas and just meet people who are like-minded. And to think that it all happened because I uploaded my first YouTube video last year, that's incredible. That is so beautiful and so incredible. I feel so lucky, and I feel so grateful, and it's all because of you guys. Because you decided that you wanted to subscribe to my channel, because you wanted to leave comments under my videos, because you reached out to me on YouTube, on Instagram, you wrote emails to me, And you're the reason why I'm here today talking about this in this way. I'm talking about all of these successes, everything that I've accomplished in the first year of being on YouTube. That's so incredible because I know how many YouTubers grind for years before their breakthrough, before they're discovered, before they reach 1,000 subscribers. It all happened within the first 6 months of having this channel for me. Like, that's insane. That's extremely lucky. And I know that I worked hard and I learned so much, and I started applying all of the things that I learned immediately. My channel is a product of me knowing how to work smart and hard, arranging my schedule to be able to film and be able to work at the same time. Like, this is a result of all of this. But without you, I wouldn't be here. And I just wanted to say thank you, because this is a dream come true when it comes to how much you can achieve in 1 year. And 40,000 people saying that they want to see me, they want to watch me, they want to listen to me. This is so beautiful. I want to thank you so much. I know that many YouTubers probably say it because I've watched videos like this many times, but I truly wouldn't be here without you, because I create videos for you. I want to help you. I create my courses for you. I talk to you on my Instagram stories. You are the reason why I do this. I make these videos for me, but if there wasn't anyone to watch them, I wouldn't be here. And you are here, and I want to thank you so much. And no matter how you support me, whether you're subscribed, whether you like my videos, whether you share my videos, whether you comment on my videos, whether you follow me on Instagram, whether you're in my group, whether you watch my ads and help me make money, or whether you're my Patreon, all of this supports my channel. So thank you so much for all of your support. Thank you so much for being here with me. That means so much to me. Thank you so much. I hope that next year my channel will be even bigger, that my videos will reach even more people, because I just want to help. And if there's anything that I can do, be it sharing my own experience or sharing my tips or just being here for you guys, I want to do this. This is what I want to do. This is what I want my life to be. I want to create content for you. I want to go full time. I just want to be able to help as many of you as I can, and to know that I already have. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Thank you. So yeah, thank you again, and thank you if you're subscribed, and if you're not, you can subscribe to my channel. That will help me grow. And thank you for all your likes, all your comments, everything. Thank you so much. You can like this video if you want to, and you can leave me a comment if you want to. I just want you to know that you are very special to me, and I wouldn't be here without you. If you want to watch more of my videos, you can click anywhere here on the screen. And thank you for watching, not only this video, but all of my videos. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you. I love you. I see you. You're important to me. Thank you so much. Bye. I really want to do it. I'm so scared, and it's so daunting. This whole project is just insane for me. I've been thinking of starting my YouTube channel for 5 years. 5 years, and I've done one. Didn't go well. So I think this is my final attempt. And we will see.